Here I have OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open any screen you want to capture. So you can capture apps, you can capture settings, whatever you want. I'm gonna capture just my beautiful home screen. So to do it, what you have to do is to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Volume down, power key, and we got it. So one last time, power button, volume down button, and let's get these screenshots. So after you're done taking screenshots, you can find them in Photos, in this screenshot album, and here they are. From here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.